Diesel Production.
R.I.P. to Robert Davis, he the king of the South. Anything else said, need to shut your fucking mind. I'm down with Lil Flip, and I'm down with T.I.P. If them niggas come together, know how much paper we can see. Slim Thug and Zero, y'all still bullshit. Need to sit down, take a chew, it's too much money to be get. Paul Wall and that Cooper still ain't talking. Money speak, all that bullshit, keep walking. Y'all niggas got the game fucked up. All you record coming people need to shut the fuck up. Cause y'all keeping up that bullshit rapping. And white people laughing at us, that's what's happening. They saying stupid ass niggas still ain't figured it out. Long as they stay divided, man, we gon' run the side. Y'all need to get up off the dumb shit. I got a bread truck, get up off that crumb shit.
Showing toss of rhyme, knocking those lines. Showing toss of rhyme, knocking those lines. Showing toss of rhyme. I'ma come through and show my wood line. Knocking those lines. Showing toss of rhyme, knocking those lines. Showing toss of rhyme, knocking those lines. Showing toss of rhyme. I'ma come through and show my wood line.
I got the bass quaking, trunk shaking like tambourines. In the H where the paint sweet as tangerines. Where they bouncing on foes like trampolines. It's the great state of Texas, so I can't believe all the conflict and plex that we carrying. It's time to get rid of the beef like vegetarians. I'm about stacking bank every day, so I pay attention to the vents, and I ain't talking about a Chevrolet. Kiki the Don, Pimp C a king, Lil J the owner of the squad. H-Time, we the team. It ain't no eyeing that you trying that you be fatigued. But if we man up and press, we can lead the league. We some all-stars, the roster is sick, man. I ain't gotta start, P.O.P.'ll be the sixth man. Rapper like a Southern Empire for the assist, man. 3, 2, 1, switch and
showing toss of rhyme, knocking those lines. Showing toss of rhyme, knocking those lines. Showing toss of rhyme. I'ma come through and show my wood line. Knocking those lines. Showing toss of rhyme, knocking those lines. Showing toss of rhyme, knocking those lines. Showing toss of rhyme. I'ma come through and show my wood line. Knocking those lines.
You see the slab outside, it look good, don't it? Masterpiece, dripped out with the foes on it. Trunk, airtight speakers and them show lights holding. Pops around, nigga, get your shit tight. Let me tell you the meaning of coming through. When the sea soft cream and the candy's dark blue. Approaching dying time, knocking doors down. 10, 11 slabs in a single file line. Flossing, swerving, the rims is glistening. They gotta see the wood cause the top is missing. I sleep on dreams cause it's paper I'm chasing. My roots come from Texas, this pimpulation. The bar is tasting, the Benz is spacing. I gotta show my clients so these haters can face me. Riding up the boulevard, crushing the sidewalk. Showing my surround while I'm knocking the doors out.
Showing toss of rhyme.